Hi, Thamer.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Good
Good.
to see you.
Thank you all for coming in. And we'll hope to make this as engaging as possible. We'd like to keep this questions flowing. So please ask us questions, stop us. If you think we're not saying the right thing, please let us know. Yeah? Thamer, welcome on stage.
Thank you very much. How are you guys? How are you doing? How was sleep with you?
Well, it's been amazing. I mean, compared to last year, this is definitely 100x up. The audience has been great. It's an international audience. We've seen a lot of appetite towards tech and gaming. And we've just recently launched our new platform with you, Thamer.
Yes. Mohammed has launched a new platform with us, MobilyGamers. It's a tournament-based platform where you can win prize pools and coins. And then the coins, we have a redemption shop where you can buy your user coins with vouchers for PUBG or other gaming sites that are available. Also, we have other things besides gaming. We have like food, we have Uber, we have Google Play. So you can your coins every time you're winning. We have prize pools of 600 reals a day and worth of coins, Mobilyli coins. And these Mobilyli coins you can of course trade into vouchers. So it's a esports tournament platform. We'll be hosting games every day, and every day there's a prize pool of 600 reals. So this is, I mean, we're very thankful that Mohammed's this company launched this for us. I mean, we're very happy with the partners. They're very quick, they're very dynamic, and let's see how things go in the future. We just launched it today.
Well, thank you very much, and well done, and congratulations to the both of us.
Thank you. Yes, the congratulations needed.
One question, Thamer.
Yes.
How did this all start for you?
Let's go back, man. Let's see. It was during university. I was in the dormitory of the university. We were connecting 25 PCs, and that time where there was nothing called Ethernet cables. We used to use coaxial cables to connect 25 PCs in a daisy chain environment. We used to play games in the university on our own PCs. So that's where my passion for gaming started. And then in 2004, I opened my own network gaming center, where it was something that nobody has done before. It was a brand new concept in Saudi Arabia. And we also introduced online gaming, which before nobody understood what online gaming was. So I was one of the pioneers who started gaming centers in Saudi.
Well, that's great. I mean, the right man in the right position, I guess.
I guess so.